Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will learn what to do after someone dies. If someone close to you has recently passed away, you may be feeling overwhelmed and unsure about what needs to be done next. In this video, I will explain the most important steps you need to take in the UK after someone dies, including how to register the death, how to use the Tell Us Once service, who needs to be informed, and what happens with pensions, benefits, bank accounts, and probate. This information is based on official guidance from gov.uk. But before going forward, let me break this down in 15 easy steps. Step number 1, obtain the medical certificate of cause of death from the doctor or hospital. Step 2, register the death at the local register office. Step 3, purchase several official copies of the death certificate. Step 4, use the Tell Us Once service to notify government departments. Step 5, arrange the funeral and burial or cremation. Step 6, inform banks, building societies, and credit card providers. Step 7, contact utility companies, internet provider, and other service providers. Step 8, notify the employer and any pension providers. Step 9, check whether you are eligible for bereavement benefits or financial support. Step 10, locate the deceased person's will. Step 11, apply for probate if required. Step 12, collect information about assets, savings, property, and debts. Step 13, settle any outstanding debts and liabilities. Step 14, close account and transfer or distribute assets according to the will. And the last step is keep copies of all documents, letters, and reference numbers for future records. Now let's learn how to do this. Just go on gov.uk, the only genuine website, www.gov.uk. In the search section, just write what to do after someone dies. Click search. You will land on this page. Click the top link, what to do after someone dies. This is where you have the first option, register the death. So in this video, we will learn how to register the death. In my other video, which I have created, I have explained how to use the Tell Us Once. This video will explain you everything about it. On this page, we go down, click register the death. The rule is very simple. You need to register the death within 5 days, 8 days in Scotland of getting the confirmation. This includes weekends and bank holidays. If you need more than 5 days, you need to tell the register office immediately. Click on this link, register the death. The next question is start now. Where did the death happen? So let's suppose England. Continue. Did the person die at home, in hospital, or elsewhere? So let's suppose at home. Was the death expected? Yes, let's suppose. Information based on your answers. You will be contacted by the medical examiner office to confirm you can register the death. You must register the death within 5 days. 8 days in Scotland of being contacted. This includes weekends and bank holidays. Contact a register office to register the death. You can contact any register office, but it will be quicker if you use the one in the area where this happened. Next is who should register the death? A relative should register the death. If a relative cannot register the death, you can do it if you were there at the time of the death, or you are an administrator from the hospital if the person died in hospital, or you are making in charge of making funeral arrangements. The next question is what you need to do. The register office will tell you what you need to do when you contact them. The register office may also want to see the person's birth certificate, council tax bill, driving license, marriage or civil partnership certificate, NHS medical card, passport, or proof of address, such as utility bills. Ask the register office what to do if you don't have them. You will need to tell the registrar the person's full name at the time of the death, any names previously used, the person, date, and place of birth, their last address, their occupation, the full name, date of birth, and occupation of surviving or late spouse or civil partner, whether they are getting a state pension or any other benefits. Now let's understand what documents you will get. It's all about green page. So when you register a death, you will get a certificate for burial or cremation, the green form. This gives you permission for burial or to apply for a cremation. You will also be able to buy death certificates. These prove the death has been registered. These certificates will be needed for sorting out person affairs. You can buy death certificate at the register office when you register the death. For that, just click this link, order death certificates online. I'll put this link in the description as well, so if you need it. This is where it says order a birth, death, marriage or civil partnership certificate. The link is in the description. The certificate costs £12.50 and they send you in 4 days after you apply. It's very simple. You just fill this form. It will take 10 minutes and you will get it. You can also contact them directly by phone 0300 123 1837. Now let's learn how to contact a registrar office to register the death. Once you fill this form online, click on this link, Register Office. This page will open where you will have to enter your postcode. Enter your postcode, find a register office. This page will give you results for the SW1A to AA, for example. So Westminster Register Office, this is the address and this is the website. So if I click this website will take me to the page where you can register all these things. It's very easy. It's not difficult. You can do it yourself. So for example, you on Westminster City Council website, in the search section, just write register a death. Every council got this service. Just click search. It might not show in the options drop down menu, but when you will search it, you will get this kind of a link, register a death. So if you click on this link, this is where it says book an appointment to register. Your city council will also have the same page where you can do all these things yourself. They will also provide you guidance. They will also provide you referral or anything whichever you need. There will be a video which will explain you in detail that how to use this service. The next step, once you have done that, you need to do tell us once. I have created this video in which I have explained how you can use this service. It's very easy. You go on this page where you explain everything, you go down and click start now. Hope this video helps you. If you have any question, put that in comment section and I'll get back to you.